So here we are here. I like to delete this variable, delete one variable and paste it down here and set it to 0. And now let's talk a bit more about the while loop. So the while loop is something that executes multiple times, as you're seeing in this example. So I'm gonna type here, down here, while x is less than 300. And now, what is the difference between an if statement and a while loop? And the difference is that the if statement executes a line of code just once, one line of code or multiple lines of code, and the while loop executes many lines of code or just one, but multiple times until we reach the exit condition. In this one up here, we are not actually achieving the exit condition, and yeah, we are going to improve this one, but later. Just leave it like that for now, and I'm gonna delete this one. And yeah, a complete setup for a while loop needs the exit condition, and to do that I'm gonna increase x by 1 until we reach the exit value, which is 300. And we need to comment this out just like that, save it, and yeah, see what we get. This is what we get. Okay, I'm gonna stop it, and Control C to stop it on the terminal. Whenever you want to paste something, you have to press Control Shift and then V, or Control Shift C to copy, not just Control C or Control V. Okay, now I like to change the color back to gray, and then I'm gonna increase x by 80 because the radius is 40 in order to see the whole circle. And yeah, save it and then run the code again, and here we have it. Yeah, we can also go until we reach the edge of the window, which is 600. Save it, stop the execution, and then run the program again, and there we have it. So yeah, that's it for now, but I just wanted to share the whole setup for a while loop. We need a variable that we want to be comparing to another value, and then a way of increasing the variable until we reach the exit condition. Okay, and that's it. And don't forget to always reset the value to 0 right here, because if I delete it and initialize the variable before the whiles, save it, and let's see what we get. Okay, and this is what we get. We get nothing because, okay, the first time it enters this while, but it calculates and then moves this circle, and it actually draws the circle. But when we're leaving this while loop, x is equals to 600. So the next time this parent while is executed, it never enters this while because x is no longer less than 600. And then fills the entire window with black, and then draw the other figures over and over again without even printing or drawing any circle. That's why we need to set the variable up here in order to make sure that the next time the parent loop is executed, we're going to be entering this while loop from here. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm going to save it and run the code again a last time just to see it, and there we have it. That's it. Okay.